Greetings, gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. First of all, today I'm going to explain you how to do the steps very fast to set up our software for integrating signals from Telegram to MetaTrader 5. It's not focused on Ben because Ben is inconsistent with trading. He's sending fake signals. So our program now works with other groups. I will show you and refer you the good group to start trading with. So now I will show you first step. You go to my website, run the VPS. It's only cost you $13. You have to choose 1 month from here and choose United States East. Okay, and 1 month because it's the lowest latency, so we can't catch the closed server to the market, so we can catch the trade very fast. So now we choose Windows Server and press configure, and at the final step make sure you remember this password because this password is for your VPS. Don't forget it. You see here it's only cost you €13 per month. So now after you connect to my server, as you see here I'm connecting already, you have to watch this video because this video will show you how to run this software for the first time. It's necessary so it can set up all the accounts for you in the server to start trading with after you install the preferred broker to start trading with. So now we already did that, and as you see here we are connected to read user. Read user is only for running our program, which will integrate all the signals from Telegram to MetaTrader. So now we will start running it. So just right click after first of all, don't forget to download the software from here. Just click download, and you see here all the files. Just downloaded them. We already did that, and you see here, and make sure to first watch the video as I previously said to you. After that we move this file to our read signal. I already showed that for you in the previous video. Now we just press run as administrator and click yes. The software will ask you about the license. I will provide you the license once you purchase it for one time or lifetime. We just press here. Okay, and now the software will search all the trade signals text file on all the brokers, on all the users of your server, so it can store all the signals directly. So now it's already did that, and also, which is very good, it has a feature to create it also auto SL. So once the trader has sent any manual adjustment for the SL, it will detect it automatically. So now as you see here we already did that, and we already scanned our QR code and everything. After that, when you scan your QR code and everything is set up, we just go to the group of our signal, and okay, and we just press enter. We already scanned our QR code. We press enter, and now it will ask us to navigate to the target group, which is, we already choose this. Our program now successfully integrated all gtmofx signals because he is a very good trader and provided the signals in a good way for the people to make money, not like Ben. Ben is sending fake signals all the time and people are losing money. That's shame actually. So now we click enter. We already navigated to the group, and we wait the program now. Now the program is running on a secret mode, so it's already closed the browser, and it also monitoring the signals right now. Any signal will come to the group, it will go directly to the trade signals files which already provided and already installed on your preferred broker. So now the RDP will disconnect after 60 seconds. This is normal, so just keep it run forever on the read signal software and it will keep run for you. Now don't forget, as I said, to watch my previous video. This one, it's necessary. So the first program will do everything for you and will install all the EA in all of your broker and all of your user, and also it will install automatically the trade signals. And so this program can import all the new signals from Telegram to all of your broker. So this is very easy for you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe.